Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be working on the Honda S2000 again. Today we are going to be replacing the rear wheel bearing. So, a quick story. Whenever I'm on the freeway, the car drives straight, relatively straight, but every time I hit a bump or even a slight little divot, the car almost goes into a fishtail. It's pretty scary. So, I already received the hub assembly. This is the hub assembly that we got. Nice and fresh. I mean, they weren't super pricey, but it was like, you know, about $160 for two of them. So since I'm gonna replace one side, I've already decided that I'm gonna replace both sides of the rear of the car. We're gonna head out to Advanced Auto Parts right now, and we will see you in a bit. All right guys, wait here. I'm gonna pick up the parts and we'll be back. All right, we're back guys. And these are the new parts that we got. It's bearing remover and installer set. Never used one of these, but me and Mason are gonna learn today. Here's a few other things that we just picked up on the way. So you're gonna need a 36mm axle nut socket. And then we got this clamp to see if we can use this to remove the C-clamp for the bearing. And then this is the big old kit that comes with it. Hopefully all goes smooth and we can get this done today. Didn't have the hub puller, so we're gonna figure something out with that maybe. Probably gonna be tugging on it. We'll see what happens. If we need it or not. If we do, it'll probably be a day 2 type of thing. We're gonna get started. We're gonna get this finished, hopefully by today.
Oh, that hurts the hands. Oh, there we go.
Oh. Yeah, it looks stupid, dude. I was trying to do that for like 10 minutes, dude. The hub off, put it on there. Is that the way? Oh, what? What? It came off that easily?
I think so.
No way.
Are we doing this wrong? I feel like we're doing it wrong.
I feel like it's way too easy, bro. What if it was just the axle nut that was loose, dude? Oh, dude, you did get it.
Was it supposed to be that easy?
It was supposed to be really hard from what I saw. But yeah, we popped the axle nut off. We somehow got the axle nut off pretty easily. So now we're gonna jack it. Okay. Dude, man, I'm so confused how that's legal, but this is not. Yeah. We're gonna remove the lugs for the car, for the wheel, and then we're gonna jack the car up, take it off, and we're gonna start working on everything. Tool sets that we're gonna use. These are the new parts that came in. Super nice and shiny, all greased up. But yeah, another thing is when we changed out one of the tires, the guy at the shop did snap one of the bolts. It's that one right there. But we're gonna replace it with a brand new hub. Okay. Set it aside. You can remove the brakes. Okay, and then just do a 14mm bolt in the back.
Yeah, just give it a minute, let it all sit in.
So this is out. I clean that out later. So we had to take out these two. They said we need an impact driver. Nah, we got this boy out with a handheld screwdriver. If we can do it, you can do it. Yep. Actually, I take that back. Our stuff was kind of loose, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it was very suspiciously loose.
My first rotor removal.
What do we do now?
We need to pop out these 3 ball joints. One right here, one right here, and one right here. Speaking of collar pins, this one's missing one. And it's completely loose.
Oh, Jesus.
Maybe it wasn't the rear bearing.
Just
Don't forget to, yeah, you gotta remove the sensor, you know? Put it on the side. And then
just pop it out.
Yeah.
Boom.
Boom. Easy.
Look at that.
Now, I think it's the hard part where we're gonna have to stop.
Separate those two?
Yeah, stop popping bearings out. Mason just left right now. He has to go do some stuff. Everything came out pretty easy so far. What we have to do now is use this tool and see if we can get everything off. So I knocked it out with just the axle socket that I got. So I put it over this and I hit it a few times with a hammer. And then I got it out. This is the old hub. Popped right out. And the bearing. There's also a C-clamp right here that we're gonna remove first. But after that, everything should just pop right in. We got the bearing out. It took forever. After that, we are going to install the new bearing over here And basically we just pop it in and push it in. This side of the rotor, the bolts are stripped on both sides, so we can't remove the rotors off, but we are going to be replacing the entire thing. I'm not sure if it was us or we were making mistakes or not, but we weren't able to push the bearing back in, so we decided to just take it to a machine shop where they have like a hydraulic press. It makes it a lot easier and a lot faster to do this. So we're gonna have them do it, press it in, the wheel bearing and the wheel hub. Then we will insert everything back into the car. This is gonna be a 2-day project now.
The next day.
All right guys, so we finally got the wheel bearing out. This is day 2 or 3. It took about a few days to get the wheel bearing pressed in, but it's finally here. So this is the axle nut that we're gonna use. But look at this. This is brand new. No rattles or anything. New bearing, new hub. Looks mint. There's the 3 ball joints right here. 1, 2, 3. And then the axle, you push in the entire hub assembly into it. And after that, we're gonna put in some brand new brakes right here. It's like red. I think it's rust. If you guys know what this is, let me know. I don't know if I'm messing it up or anything.
It smells like dookie.
Yeah, I pooped myself a little. So after you put on these 3 bolts for the ball joints, you're gonna use a cotter pin, and then you'll slide through one of these holes, and then get your pliers. Then you can bend them out. That should be good. You're gonna do that for all 3 of them. So you put the caliper back on, 14mm bolts, 2 in the back. So the brake pads, they go in like this is the front one. The back ones are, they have this metal tab, and it becomes a sandwich like that. You're gonna take your caliper. You're gonna need to compress this. So how I like to do it is, get something like this, flat. You're gonna turn it clockwise. So you wanna align it. Basically make it look like a plus sign. You can see it, like that. So it like follows the line of this. You should just be able to stick it in now like this. These are 12mm if I remember. You're gonna guide them through. And that's everything. And now we just have to put the wheel back on and then the axle. And then we're done. Okay. Last step is to drop the car and then tighten the axle nut. Make sure your e-brake's on. Alright, so it's telling us to do between 180 to 220. Okay, brakes are good. Don't hear any weird noises. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh. Yo, chill. Let's see. That's pretty good. No weird noises. McDonald's celebration. It's been pretty nasty. He's been sticking his feet out the entire time.